How to iron a shirt. Welcome to Dadology 101. My name is Ben, and today I'm going to teach you my way how to iron a shirt. First of all, you need an ironing board, you need an iron, and you need a spray bottle. Always check the label, whatever you're ironing, because you don't want to damage it by burning it. The first thing I always do is start with the sleeves. So you lay it flat down, give the shirt a bit of a spritz, a good amount of pressure. You don't have to push too hard. Look at that, beautiful. Now, I like to use water in the iron. Make sure that you use distilled water or filtered water. You don't want to stain your clothes while you iron. Give that a spritz. Do the other sleeve. Beautiful. All right, next step, buttons. That's for a men's shirt. As I iron, I'm going to be pushing it away from me, because if I did it this way, I could actually re-crease the shirt as I'm going, and that would be a pain. So, start with the edge that you're going to be working with. Give it a spritz. Firmly press down, working around the buttons, using your free hand to keep the fabric in control and tight. Now, your iron may splutter a little bit. If it is, like mine is, just turn down the steam setting. And there we go. Just pull it around. And that's looking really, really good. See what I mean by pushing the iron portion away from me. So now I've got the beautiful, crisp iron section in front of me. And it's not down by my legs, where I could easily re-crease it. Keep repositioning the shirt. It's really important to get the fabric nice and organized before you start ironing it, because if you don't, you could very easily iron a crease into the shirt, and getting that crease out can actually be difficult at times. Yeah, like there, just did that. See that? You just need to push in a bit more. Keep giving it a spritz. You don't have to use too much, because it can put drops, like that big one. There we go. And the final part, the front of the shirt. Put the tip of the ironing board into the arm of the shirt. Keep your fingers out of the way, don't burn them. Don't forget the iron is very hot. You gotta be safe. Almost there. Keep adjusting with your free hand. And there we go. Pretty easy. Last but not least, collar. Make it flat. Give it a nice firm press. So that's it. Pretty straightforward, huh? Dadology 101. Burnt it, broke it, dad it. See you soon.